myself Natarajan, Director of Technology Services, Kavi India. I am excited to bring you a new video series all about web applications. In this series, we will dive into what a web application is, how it works, and what components it makes when we deploy this web application to the cloud. To make things more relatable, we will see how to build an e-commerce application, let's say Amazon or eBay, so that we can easily understand and follow the concepts as we discuss along. Let's get started. To start with, a web application is a software that runs on a web server, accessed through a web browser, either through an internet or an internet. You simply open a web browser and the app will do its work online, often providing interactive and personalized experiences. In today's world, web apps are built to support rapid growth and change. They adapt to different screen sizes, whether you are using a laptop or a desktop or a tablet. So as a developer, we need to make our web apps to work flawlessly across different devices with different screen sizes. Popular tools like React, Angular or Vue.js make the modern web development more easier and faster than ever before. Let's take Amazon as an example. Amazon is a great model for the modern web application because it uses a cutting-edge technologies like cloud architecture, microservices, real-time updates like notifications and machine learning to make seamless user experience. No matter what device you use, Amazon is fast, secure and highly scalable. Pretty impressive, right? Now let's break down the key components of a web application. First, the front end or the client side. This is what you see and interact with. This is what makes the visualization of the application. And second is the back end or the server side. This is where all the heavy lifting happens, that is data processing and business logic, etc. And third is the databases where all the data for the apps are stored, managed and accessed. These components communicate each other through a protocol like HTTP or HTTPS, and often they use RESTful API or GraphQL for the exchange of data. This entire process of creating the request, sending the request to the server, processing the request, creating the response, sending the response back to the browser is called as request response cycle, and this cycle continue to happen whenever you interact with a web application by clicking button or a link or refreshing a web page to provide you smooth and interactive experience. Now let's talk about something even cooler, serverless web applications. In serverless web application setup, developers don't need to worry about the infrastructure or the server setup. It is all handled by the cloud provider itself, so that as a developer you can really concentrate on writing code. Popular tools like AWS Lambda, Azure Functions, Google Cloud Functions will help you to create more reliable, efficient web applications more easier than ever before. That's the wrap for this video. In the next one, we will go deeper into the components of web application and see how they interact with each other to provide you a smooth user experience. So stay tuned. See you next time.